Welcome back to another tabletop review. Today we'll look at the CANiK TP9 SFx 9mm match pistol. I'm told that it's pronounced CANiK. The CANiK website states that the TP9 SFx is designed for competitive shooting right out of the box, with standard features like multiple adapter plates for mounting most any reflex sight, adjustable magazine, ambidextrous charging handle for the quickest reload on the firing line, and worn tactical sights. The TP9 SFx is your quickest route to the medal stand. Sounds impressive, but to be honest, I just don't have that level of skill or serious interest to compete. Still, I thought it would be nice to have a good match-ready pistol in my collection. If for nothing else, at least to retain whatever skills I have left, and just for the fun of it. Something like owning a street-legal race car that you may never take out to the track, but you could. So that answers the question as to why I bought this match pistol. But why this one? Well, to be honest, it was the price and the reviews. Had about $600 for one equipped with the Vortex Viper Red Dot optics. I thought it was a pretty good deal. This gun was also named Handgun of the Year in 2017 at the Industry Choice Awards, and it helped that there was so many positive reviews of the CANiK TP9 SFx pistol. Good reviews and a great price. If I really wanted a race gun, a match grade pistol, this was the one. That was almost 6 months ago. So how do I feel about this gun now? Did I make the right decision? Let's make sure that this one's cleared. Only a few years ago, Century International Arms began importing CANiK TP9 handguns. Built in Turkey at an ISO 9001 certified weapons production facility, the original TP9s represented an evolution of many proven handgun designs. CANiK is known for making high-quality aviation components for companies like Boeing, Lockheed Martin, and Airbus. They know how to make high-quality things, and they've applied that capability to producing the TP9 SFx. This is truly the most complete package of accessories and components I've ever received with the purchase of a new gun. Really very, very good. Comes with a nice hinged hard plastic case. Even the manual comes in full color. Comes with a holster. This is a side lock retention holster. I've already assembled it. Comes with alternative back straps. Comes with 2 magazines and even a magazine loader. Comes with a cleaning kit. Of course, there's 2 magazines, 20 rounds. If it's in your location, you're limited to 10 rounds. It comes with 10 rounds. 4 adapter plates. I've already used one to attach the Vortex Viper Red Dot system that came with this package in a combo system. Comes with a tool kit that includes the additional sizes of magazine release buttons, screws for the plates, alternative fiber sight, front fiber sight, Allen wrenches, punch set for changing the back straps, even an ambidextrous charging handle, and of course it comes with a gun lock. As for the gun, some have said it's similar to the Walther P99. The barrel is match grade steel, the slide an alloy steel in durable tungsten gray. The slide has attractive looking lightning holes on the top and on the underside. There's a short reset single action trigger designed with nickel coated action components. Trigger pull is about 3.5 to 4 pounds. The reset is very short. Now allow me to make just a brief comparison here. I purchased the Walther PPQ specifically because it has an exceptional trigger. And as outstanding as the trigger on this gun actually is, the CANiK's TP9 SFx's trigger is just that much better. The gun comes with worn tactical sights with red and green fiber optic options. There are nice front and rear serrations on the slide. There's an accessory under barrel rail, extended slide release for easier engagement during competition, loaded chamber indicator, reversible magazine catch with additional sizes of release buttons. Specifications include the match grade barrel at 5.2 inches, overall length is 8.27 inches, overall height is 6.2 inches, overall width is 1.38 inches, and the overall weight is 1.89 pounds unloaded. Allow me to talk about my first impressions. Keep in mind that this is considered a budget entry race gun. CANiK has made an effort to provide an excellent presentation of this gun. Very nice packaging. I like the way they provide all the accessories, even down to a holster for the gun. The fit and the finish of this gun are excellent. The feel is natural. The grips have the right amount of stippling for me. I like the weight and the balance. Out of the box, I thought this was a very tight gun. The slide seemed gritty to rack at first to me. I thought that was a little odd. I disassembled, cleaned, and oiled the gun, and that seemed to help a bit. I enjoyed the customized options of the backstrap mag release and fiber optic sights. The Vortex Viper Red Dot fit perfectly. I tried the extended slide release, but eventually I removed it. I didn't feel I needed it, and I didn't really like it sticking out. The holster worked just fine. My first range experience was a little disappointing. I was shooting one of my standard range ammos, the Winchester service grade Full Metal Jacket 115 grain ammo. Right off the bat, I had multiple failures to eject. Next, I tried a box of Browning Training and Practice Full Metal Jacket 115 grain ammo. It was better than the Winchester, but I still had failures to eject. Next, I had the Blazer Brass Full Metal Jacket 115 ammo. Same problem. I didn't have access to other ammo at the time, and it was hard to concentrate on the gun's performance with the ammo problem, so I sort of just gave up. I did a bit more research on this gun and found that others had experienced similar problems. Switching to 124 grain ammo was recommended, and indeed, when I went back to the range with a couple of boxes of Federal Full Metal Jacket 124 grain ammo, I had no problems. I was delighted. 2 more boxes of ammo and still no problems. And this gun will really run. As I've said, my skills aren't that great, but this gun makes me look pretty good. I'll admit that it took getting used to the Vortex Viper optics, but as I get older, I find I can use help that a good red dot system can provide. I keep both my eyes open and focus on the target rather than the sights. And with a little practice, I've gotten pretty good. Well, I've had this gun for about a half a year now, and I love taking it to the range. It's just a joy to shoot, and I seem to continue to improve with it. The CANiK TP9 can really give you a lot of confidence. It may just be me, but the action of this gun seems to have become smoother too. As for the ammo, now that it's more broken in, I found that I could run the Remington Military Law Enforcement Full Metal Jacket 115 grain ammo, and even the Federal Ultra Target and Range Full Metal Jacket 115 ammo with no problems. As for cons, other than what I've reported regarding the initial tightness of this gun and the early failures to eject 115 grain ammo, I can't find anything negative to say about the CANiK TP9 SFx, except perhaps that you can really run through a lot of ammo with this gun very quickly. With 20 round magazines and the ability to easily hit what you aim at 20 yards, yeah, it's easy to get carried away having just way too much fun. Looking at the pros of this gun, for a budget race gun, I don't think you'll find any better. Compare the CANiK TP9 SFx at about $450 or even at $600 with the Vortex Viper combo to the cost of another comparably outfitted gun, like a tricked out Glock 19 at about $2,000, and there's no doubt that the CANiK is a real bargain. Even the basic Walther Q5 match pistol sells for about $100 more than the CANiK. And the combo package can save you yet another $100 if you want a high-end red dot system on your gun. Price-wise, It's just hard to beat the CANiK for what you get. Another pro is that the CANiK comes with all the accessories and tools to customize this gun to your needs. I like that. Finally, I admit that the capabilities of this gun outrun my own abilities, so although I'm certainly not one to judge the capabilities of the CANiK TP9 SFx as a race gun, there are plenty of those who are better qualified out there who do sing its praises. I won't argue with them. Disassembly of the CANiK TP9 SFx is fairly simple. We're going to remove the magazine, pull the trigger. We have two tabs on either side of the frame here. We're going to grab those and just pull them down. That releases the slide from the frame. Then we can remove the spring and we can remove the barrel. And that's basically it. Reassembly is the opposite, returning the barrel to the slide, spring and rod, and then the slide to the frame. That's it. The manufacturer's suggested retail price of the CANiK TP9 SFx is $555. Typically they sell for about $420, about $600 for the combo package with the Vortex Viper Red Dot, although I will say that the TP9 SFx is sometimes hard to find, and the combo deal with the Vortex Red Dot may be even harder. To wrap up, I got off to a rocky start with my CANiK TP9 SFx at the range with too many failures to eject. I suspect it was my fault, like putting the wrong kind of fuel in a high-performance engine. And the low-profile red dot system took more getting used to than I had expected. I have cheaper old-style red dots that seem easier to use for some reason. I think part of the problem was that I had to unlearn some bad habits. That was probably on me, but it was still frustrating. However, once I sorted out the ammo issue and got to settle down with the Vortex Viper Red Dot system, my performance and enjoyment just improved. I really like this gun and have a ton of fun with it every time I take it to the range. There's no denying the excitement on the internet about this gun, and I think it's for good cause. And for more than just being a great value. The CANiK TP9 SFx has a great feel. Its quality is exceptional. It looks cool, its performance is spot on, and it even helps me look pretty good on the range. What more could you ask for? Any weapon you carry is better than the one you left at home. Thanks for watching. Hope you'll be back for my next tabletop review. Until next time, stay safe.